Hello, welcome back to my Shabby Craft Corner, and today I have some really exciting news. I've been accepted onto the guest design team for Debris and Pratt at the Pixiedustfiles. I will put the link to our Etsy shop in the description below. And the journal I've created today is using the petit ballet journal collection. It is so pretty. I have had so much fun with this collection, working and making this journal. It's a tall and skinny one, and I'll do the flip through. And I've got a bit of a sore throat today, so I will be just doing a quiet flip through. And that's the front cover. I mean, the images of the girls, they are so pretty. Trying to get it all in shot. Isn't she just so adorable? I'm thinking of doing like a shadow box with her later on. Sorry. As you can see, adorable. Absolutely love these images. There's a rose one there. So, like I say, I will be putting the link to the description to our Etsy shop below. And thank you for joining me and watching. Take care.